Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment. Install Python 3, 10 plus, and create a virtualenv so dependencies don't conflict. Once done, activate the virtualenv and pip install core packages like PyAudio, SoundFile, NumPy, and SciPy. These handle audio I/O and processing. Next, add a simple GUI toolkit such as PySimpleGUI for controls. Then, test microphone capture with a short script to record 3-5 seconds of raw audio to confirm input levels. This ensures you can hear and process real-time audio. Now you build the signal chain. Capture frames of 512 or 1024 samples and push them into a processing buffer. You apply DSP blocks, first pitch shifting while preserving formants, then add EQ and optional reverb to shape tone. Use overlap add or phase vocoder techniques for smooth pitch changes. This preserves intelligibility. For performance, run heavy transforms in a separate process or non-blocking callback, and tune buffer sizes so latency stays under about 50 ms. This keeps voice natural and responsive. Finally, wire the process stream to the system output and connect UI controls: volume, wet/dry mix, pitch semitones, and preset saving. Make sure hotkeys can toggle effects and bypass so you compare original versus changed voice. Test export of recorded sessions and preset import/export. If you encounter crackling or dropouts, increase buffer size slightly, update audio drivers, or move heavy tasks to another core. If pitch artifacts appear, reduce pitch shift range and refine formant correction to restore naturalness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.